Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat, and I'm going to talk to you and show you how to use the multivitamin power recovery mask from Dermalogica. Love this mask. So it's really good to do a mask maybe twice a week if you can. It's just a really good nourishing way to treat your skin, and also a prescribed one to help with any kind of skin conditions that you're suffering with. So be it a more clearing one for any spots or acne, or a more multivitamin one like this one, which is more for an aging skin. So I like to pop a little bit on the back of my hand and use a mask brush, but you can use your fingers obviously if you want to apply. So you've cleansed, pre-cleansed, then you've cleansed with your prescribed cleanser, then you've exfoliated, that's to remove dead skin cells, so your skin's a lot brighter, and then it's going to absorb product better, so it's going to absorb the multivitamins into this mask, into your skin. So you've really prepped your skin, and then you're going to apply a mask. So as I say, I like to use a fan brush, gives you a really nice coverage. So don't forget the sides of your face. You will be leaving this on, so while you're leaving it on for 10 minutes, you can, I don't know, so you could read a book, you could do your ironing, you could watch EastEnders, or whatever you want to do, walk around the house, do the washing up, anything you like. I like to go over the lip area, and then obviously, again, as I keep saying, do not forget your neck and chest area. Quite often a lot of clients do, and it's really important to avoid that area aging or having any issues. So apply. It's really nice, as you can see, orangey yellow colour. Gonna make sure I've gone under those eyes. Okay, there we go. And then leave on for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes make sure you use water and sponges to remove. I'm going to remove this just to show you how, but yeah, really nice mask. So you go off, watch EastEnders, come back and remove with water and sponges. Okay, it's packed full of vitamins to really nourish and protect your skin, strengthen your skin. Really good for a drier skin, more aging skin. It's in the Age Smart range, it's more for the aging skin. So like myself, to really give you that bright pack of vitamins onto your skin, that extra bit of tender loving care. A lot of the time we do our cleansing, our toning, our moisturising, but this is just giving it that extra bit of vitamins, a bit of care, extra treatment, extra health to your skin, and then you remove with sponges and water. It's made me fresher already, a few minutes on. So leave on for 10 minutes, rinse off with water and sponges. There'll be more information about the multivitamin recovery mask underneath. Thank you, bye.